In today's video, we're diving into the all-new Samsung Galaxy A55. Known for packing premium features into a budget-friendly package, the Galaxy A55 promises a lot, but does it live up to the hype? Let's break down its design, camera quality, display, battery life, and more to see if this is the phone you should buy in 2024. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is a powerful mid-range smartphone for 2024, bringing premium features like a sleek design, advanced camera system, and solid performance, making it an excellent choice for value-seeking users. Design and display. The Galaxy A55 features a sophisticated look with an aluminum frame, brushed metal finish, and glossy rear panel, enhancing its premium feel. It has a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. This combination ensures vibrant colors, deep contrasts, and fluid visuals. With its slim bezels, the A55 maximizes screen space, making it ideal for streaming and gaming. Camera system. Equipped with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, the Galaxy A55 delivers high-quality photos. The main lens captures vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions, with optical image stabilization (OIS) and digital image stabilization (VDIS) for steady video capture. The 32-megapixel front-facing camera is ideal for selfies, producing clear images and handling low-light scenarios reasonably well. Night mode and 12-bit HDR video offer enhanced low-light performance and vibrant content, though it's slightly behind Samsung's flagship models. Performance and software. Powered by Samsung's Exynos 1480 chipset with 8 GB of RAM, the Galaxy A55 handles everyday tasks smoothly and is responsive even with resource-heavy apps. It supports 5G connectivity, offering fast internet speeds for streaming and downloading. While it performs well in most scenarios, gamers may notice a slight drop in performance with high-end games. The phone runs on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI for an intuitive and customizable experience. Battery life and charging. With a 5000 mAh battery, the Galaxy A55 comfortably lasts through a day and extends well into the next with moderate use. However, the phone supports only 25-watt charging, so it takes about 80 minutes to fully recharge, which is modest compared to competitors with faster charging options. Security and other features. Samsung has enhanced the A55 security with Samsung Knox Vault for data protection and an auto-blocker feature to prevent unauthorized app installations. However, it lacks wireless charging, which could be a drawback for users used to cable-free charging setups. Despite that, NFC support allows for tap and pay services, which is convenient for mobile payments. Advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. Premium design and robust build. High-quality 6.6-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. Versatile camera with excellent color and detail. Long battery life and solid performance for everyday use. Advanced security features. Disadvantages. 25-watt charging is slower than some competitors. No wireless charging. Mid-range gaming performance. So, is the Samsung Galaxy A55 worth it? For those looking for a well-rounded phone with a premium feel and great display, this is a solid option. The camera and performance may not be flagship level, but for the price it's hard to beat. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth smartphone reviews. This review should give you a strong foundation to craft engaging and informative video content for your audience on the Galaxy A55.